So if we're naming pairs of parallel lines, we have many, many. So Anna, give me two lines that are parallel.
AD and BC.
AD is parallel to BC. Does everyone agree on that?
Yes. Yeah.
Josh, give me another parallel lines.
Another parallel line
Mhm.
would be AN and DP.
AM and DP. Okay. AM is parallel to DP. So are there more after this?
Yes.
So I'm going to put dot, 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 because there's many, many, many. Okay, pair of perpendicular lines. Mark, what line is perpendicular?
AM and MP.
AM and MP. Logan, give me another parallel, perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Mhm.
NOBN.
N-O-N, B-N, yep. N-O and B-N. So again, are there multiples here? So I'm going to put dot, dot, dot. Okay, skew lines. It's not parallel nor perpendicular. So for skew lines, let's see. Wait, give me a sec.
What is skew mean again?
DP image.
So I'm going to take these two lines that are parallel, and if I go like this, it's skew.
Oh.
They don't intersect.
Mm-hmm.
What's it? So they do what?
So I would have, imagine two parallel lines that are not touching,
Yep.
and if I tweak it, it becomes skew.
Oh. I guess MP
MP,
BC.
MP, MP, and
BC.
BC. Oh, very good. Ooh, but then I would think MP and BC are actually parallel.
MP and BN.
BN, yeah. And BN. Stella, give me another skew lines. OP. So OP and AM, okay? AM. And again, there's multiples. Now for perpendicular planes, let's see if y'all remember. To name a plane, I need how many letters? 3 letters. So then, let's see, Kate, give me 2 planes that are perpendicular. Plane. Something is perpendicular to plane something. So Kate, give me one. ADM, is it this one right here, ADM? Okay, ADM. And then what else? Which one? MBC?
NBC.
NBC, there you go.
Wait, but that's.
So if I go ahead and draw this out, here's plane ADM. But if I do NBC, that's going to be parallel, right?
Yeah.
So instead,
NOP.
NOP? Nope. NOP. So let's actually write out what we did previously for the parallel. Plane ADM is parallel to plane NBC. And again, there's multiples. Someone's talking over me.
Wait, is that NOP or NOP?
NOP.
No.
Nope. Nope. So again, there are multiples, right? So let's move on to number 5. Okay, on number 5, when something is perpendicular, that means this angle, they're both 90 degrees. So can I set 3x over 4 equal to 90?
Yes.
Yep. So I have 3x over 4 is equal to 90. Let's solve for x with the partner. Tap on your neighbor, please.
Oh, you're right, Ed.
How are you abusing?
Stop it. 360. Wait, that's now we're typing S. So let's
Mark out to your neighbor. We're solving for x.
I have mine diagnosed.
It's X, a certain number.
My parents won't take me. I actually feel
Let's see if y'all can do this in one go. I know a lot of you guys multiply by 4 and divide it by 3. Could I just multiply by the reciprocal on both sides?
Yeah.
And if you type that in just like it on the calculator, they cancel, they cancel.
Dude, that's why.
How many is it going to give you? 30? 120?
Oh, it's the
Oh no, why is my 0? Okay,
it's a degree.
x equals, 120. And it says to find the value of x, so we're done. So whether you multiply it and divide it or just by the reciprocal, we have the same answer. Are we good? Alright, on the back, let's go to number 6. What's that?
Oh, because I put 12X instead of 3X.
Big stack of the
Big stack, the bottom one too, because if the bottom is empty, I need it. Okay, on number 6. Spencer, let's read this one out loud, please. Yep. Boog, let's read again.
Number 6? No. Yeah. Yes. If the slope of a line containing 4, 3, and x5 is 3/5, what is the value of x?
Okay, so we know our slope formula that you should already know is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when I notate, here's my x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So let's plug them in. We know our slope is 3 over 5, so that's going to be for m. 3 over 5 is equal to, what number's on y2, guys? 5? Minus what's on y1? 3, all over x minus 4. And then we want to cross multiply, but I want to go ahead and reduce this right here. So we have 3 over 5 is equal to 2 over x minus 4. So when we are cross multiplying, my advice will be start with the one with the variable x. So I have 3 times x minus 4. And then I have 5 times 2. And when I complete this, we're looking at 3x minus 12 is equal to, is that 10? So when I add 12 on both sides, my 3x becomes how many? How many? 22. And then when we divide it by 3, it looks like we have 7 1/3. And the 1/3, I would avoid putting that in decimal because it's 0.3 repeated. Okay? So it'd be better to leave it as a fraction. Alright, can I move up? Up? Are we good? Okay, number 10. Major, let's read.
Solve to find the value of x and y.
Okay, to find the value of x and y. So just by looking at this, I'm going to go ahead and use my highlighter. 2 lines that are parallel because corresponding angles are congruent. And I'm going to use this one right here. So would you guys agree this angle is congruent to this angle?
Yeah.
As long as 2 lines are parallel, all the obtuse are congruent and acutes are congruent. So I'm going to write on here 2y is equal to x plus y. So let's rewrite this right here, because you're going to go, oh, this makes sense. I'm going to separate this as y plus y is equal to x plus y. Oh, I didn't really have to do that. I had to subtract it, right? Oh well. This is another way. Y's go away. So what do I know about x and y? They're the same. Now look at this one right here. How many is all this together?
180.
180. So I have 2x plus y is equal to 180. And I know my y can also be represented as my x. So 2x plus x, yeah, let's just write 3x is equal to 180. So we know our x must be 60. It says to find the value of x and y. then y must also be the same, right? So on number 3, let's start by highlighting parallel lines like we did on Unit 4. Cut by our transversal. And it's given that J is parallel to K like I just said. So we have to find the value of X. It looks kind of blurry. I wonder if I can focus. Nope. So these two are what to each other? They are parallel, but then these two angles together, clearly they're not corresponding, right? They are supplementary. So we have 5x minus 20 plus 3x plus 40. Guy, are you on number 3 with me?
Yeah.
All right. Is equal to 180. When I combine like terms, we get 8x. Is that plus 20?
Yes.
Is equal to 180. And y'all can use a calculator, but I feel like our brain power is more powerful than the calculator, so I have 160. How many is my x?
20.
20. And it says, find the value of x. So we're done. Just keep it. All right, Theo, let's read. He's like, what are we doing?
Write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line y equals 3 over 2x minus 2 and passing through the point parenthesis open 1, 5 parenthesis.
Period. Enter, enter, enter. Break. Okay. So when something is passing through, that is representing your x1 and y1. Since I want this slope to be perpendicular slope, that means we are looking at our opposite reciprocal, which is negative 2 over 3. Let's see if y'all remember the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So let's go ahead and plug it in. It says y minus 5, and my m is negative 2/3. Then I have x minus 1. Let's distribute. Y minus 5 is equal to negative 2/3 x. Now, any number times the negative 1 is going to be positive of that number. Especially if that number is also negative. And then we're going to do it on both sides. Add 5. So our last answer is y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 5 2/3. If you want to make that improper, that's up to you.